In the heart of a forgotten mountain, where time itself seems to hold its breath, lives a blacksmith unlike any other. He is not a god, nor a demon, but a man cursed with an endless life. His name is whispered in legends, but the man himself remains a myth. He is the Immortal Blacksmith. For centuries, his forge has never cooled. The ring of his hammer is a constant echo through the ages, a lonely song of creation. He has crafted swords that drank the moonlight, axes that split mountains, and shields that have turned back the gaze of dragons. Heroes, shining and bright, have sought him out, their hearts full of courage and their eyes full of dreams. He has armed them all. He remembers a young knight, so earnest and pure, who promised to build a kingdom of peace. The blacksmith forged for him a blade of silver and starlight. The knight succeeded. His kingdom flourished, but like all mortal things, it crumbled to dust. To hear his name became a children's tale, his great sword a relic in a forgotten tomb. But the blacksmith remembers. He remembers a fierce shield maiden who sought to defend her people from an endless winter. He gave her a spear that burned with an eternal flame. She drove back the ice, and her people sang her praises for a generation. Then, she too faded, a whisper on the wind. The blacksmith remembers. He sees the faces of every hero in the flames of his forge. He sees their triumphs, their sacrifices, and their inevitable ends. They are fleeting sparks, brilliant and beautiful, while he is the unending bonfire. They come to him for weapons of legend, but they leave him with memories that become his heaviest burden. The world changes, empires rise and fall, stars shift in the sky, but he remains, the Immortal Blacksmith, forever forging the tools of legacy for those destined to become one. While he himself is forgotten, cursed to outlive not just the heroes, but their very legends. And so, he hammers on, waiting for the next hero, the next story, the next heartbreak. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like and subscribe for more tales from the Forge.